in the dance coasting, there's a section, heel and toes, that sometimes people find a little bit tricky to begin with. So I'm just going to go over it for you. Going to start by touching the right heel forward. You step it down and touch the left toe next to the right. Okay, so it was right heel, step it down, left toe. And then you mirror that to the left heel, step it down, right toe. Okay, so if you put the two together, right heel, step it down, left toe, left heel, step it down, right toe. And then you repeat that. Right heel, step it down, left toe, left heel, step it down, right toe. Okay, so you practice it slowly. Right heel, step it down, left toe. Left heel, step it down, right toe. Right heel, step it down, left toe. Left heel, step it down, right toe. Then you can start to speed up a bit. Heel, step, toe, heel, step, toe, heel, step, toe, heel, step, toe. And then you can practice hands on hips. Heel and toe, heel and toe, heel and toe, heel and toe. If you find it a little tricky, you could even practice when you're sitting down, sitting in your chair, heel together, toe, heel together, toe, and so on. And then your body will get muscle memory and you'll be able to do it without thinking about it.